Okay, right now I'm fighting a short SD card that's pissing me off. So I'm trying to go quick with these. This is Hubertus, German made. Chris blade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful knife. Another Hubertus. Lever lock. Yet another Hubertus. These are all made in Germany. Most of them are standard blades. They did make Chris. This one's standard. That's about 11 inches, I believe. Somewhere roughly about that. Don't razz me on it because these are more of a cheap scale Switchblade blade in black. They're just not very, I don't know, I'm not impressed with them, but they're nice, I guess. Here's another one. Standard blade. Here is a swing guard I forgot about. Bayonet blade. Here's another Hubertus lever lock. Standard blade. Here's a nice one. I forget who makes this, but it's a nice one. This also is a nice one. It has either a dagger, actually it's got a belt put to it. It might have, I think it's a bayonet blade. This has Damascus. Real nice, I like wood. There's another. This case, I need to oil, but it is an actual switchblade, but I've got to oil this. It's been a while. I had that custom made. See the spring inside there? And you've got the old Smith & Wesson oil waggle. And you've got a macabre that you're looking at here. Dagger blade, beautiful. Mirror finish on that baby. Okay. So what we've got, you're looking at all those. You've seen those, but we're not done yet. These are from Paris. 13 inch, I believe.